Hey everyone, welcome back to Cracking the GRE Math Subject Test, Linear Algebra. We're on question number 18. This question tells us something about the eigenvalue of a matrix A, and it's asking us to decide which of these statements about the eigenvalue of A inverse or A squared is true. Well, let's see. You have to remember what the definition of an eigenvalue is. So it says that A is an invertible matrix with an eigenvalue of 3 corresponding to the eigenvector x. So remember that that statement means that A times x is equal to 3 times x. Okay, that's what it means for the eigenvalue of A corresponding to the eigenvector x to be 3. And if you multiply x by A, it just stretches it out by a factor of 3. So let's see if the first statement is true. I'm going to check this. The matrix A inverse has an eigenvalue of 1/3 corresponding to the eigenvector of x. So what can we say about the matrix A inverse? Well, if we multiply or pre-multiply both sides by A inverse, what do we get? Well, this is just going to be x. And here, the 3 is a scalar, so it can come out in front when you're doing multiplication. Okay, if you divide both sides by 3, you get 1/3 x is equal to A inverse of x. Well, this is exactly the same as the first statement here in green, except that instead of A we have A inverse, and instead of 3 we have 1/3. So that means that 1/3 is an eigenvalue corresponding to the eigenvector x. So the answer is A. We don't have to look much further.